Just did a full detail, inside and out. Treated all of the plastic and the rubber that you can see all the way around it. So this car had a lot of mold. So it had big time mold issues. You could still use a rug shampoo, but they didn't want one, so that's okay. The rest of everything else got done. Everything on the interior just got touched, cleaned and dressed. Windows cleaned inside and out, waxed all the way around. This was gray. This part right here. Restored that all the way across, all the way around. It's beautiful now. This was gray. Turned it black again. Also the front tray and the windshield wipers, they were gray. That's just from, I don't think they've used the car in a long time. Yep, when it sits under trees, we had pine needles all here in here. And mold was growing all in here. There's before pictures. If you're on Facebook, you can look either below this video or above it. See the before mold pictures. It was molded all on the roof. It was really tough mold. It was growing into the paint itself, but it all came off, and surprisingly didn't even phase the paint at all. So on the World Wide Web, Facebook and YouTube, just put in Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man. Come right to the top. Hundreds of videos on Facebook, YouTube, and lots of referrals there too. You guys have a great day.